Today, Jason Lovett will be interviewed on our stream bro, FunnyGuy77. Hello, Pumiki and 44. We are just doing a little warm-up show in 1 hour. Let me set the clock here. We are just doing a little warm-up show in 1 Work. Can't believe that didn't work. What up, Tyler Robinson? In 1 hour, the creator of Flix and Chill will be interviewed. Both of them are my bros. And I wouldn't, if I were you, I wouldn't miss it for the world. It'll be good. The game is also only 99 cents, and I think there might be a giveaway. But at that price, does it matter? I mean, it might for some, but... How's everyone doing this fine Tuesday? Hello, Jay. So yeah, Flix and Chill by Jason Lovett. It's published. We'll get the publisher name. Ooh, my bit rate's pretty low. Oops. Just making sure all things are running, looking good. What up, Tyler? What is Flix and Chill? Yeah, I'm glad you asked. We'll pull it up right now. What up, Tyler? What is Flix and Chill? Yeah, hold on. I'm glad you asked. We'll pull it up right now. All right, that should be gone. Here is trailer. Sorry, I was trying to see if I can go full screen. Let me start over. It's kind of just better if you can go to YouTube. The grill. It says so. Flix and Chill is a dating simulator where your end goal is to get your date to Flix and Chill with you. Do you have what it takes to do the bow chicka wow wow? And he's actually he's actually moved on to a new project, and he'll be showing that. It's put out by, look, very positive, 15 reviews, positive. There's some good reviews. It's put out by Kbros Games. You know, it's only 99 cents, but he'll be live. We're all gonna go on into Funny Guy's channel and check it out. Assuming it all comes together, which I think it will. No pressure. No pressure, FG. We got this. I'm gonna actually open up Unity. I'm kind of surprised that bug happened just now. Cyber hacker, yes. What up? Thanks for being a part of last night's show, man. You rock. In 53 minutes, probably less, we'll mosey on over to FunnyGuy77 stream, and y'all meet my friend Jason Lovett, fellow game dev, creator of Flix and Chill, talk about everything, mostly about flixing and chilling. He will, he's actually moved on to a new game. Hopefully he'll share some of that. I'm sure he will. Yeah, I did complete the mission, though. I really got the Xamarin integration with the Mac. I actually didn't know if it would work. Like, I'd never done it, and that was actually a pretty big win. So that was good. And then 2 games were jammed. In fact, BioBlaze Jonah Hill continued to jam, and he shared in the Discord, but that pug butt sniffing simulator, I actually think has legs. I think we should make it. Oh my god, I can't believe I said that. And then, so that's the thing. Let this finish. Big news today. Big news. One of the Twitch bosses in Topcaster, Iron Chef Bobby Flail, was on the front page of Twitch today for 2 hours, and he will be once a week for the next 2 months. And so he had thousands of viewers, and that's really good for both him, for us, the game. And I might reach out to him and see if he'd be open to a front page promotion. I don't know. I can't tell. I don't see why not. I'm just real happy because I caught him when he was. I started following him when he was. I think I started watching him right when he was just started streaming, like literally. But he's part of main menu with Thundercast and Brotato, who are also in the game. We've talked to Morag. Morag's I wouldn't say he's locked in, but we've talked to him a couple times. Let's see here. Flix and Chill is actually a playable game on Twitch. It's an actual. It is on. It's like so videos. Which is pretty cool. Sure. Again, though, you know, when it comes to looking at games on Steam, you just type in the name. I mean, that's a thing, right? It's the green light games that are hard to find, but it is my pleasure. I'm not sure how much use. Yeah. But it's only 99 cents. I'm going to be picking up my copy today, for sure. I'm probably going to go ahead and... Oh, wow, Munch and Play owns it already. Our bro Munch and Play, who's a big-time supporter of the Top Caster game. But we'll get to see the interview and decide from there. I mean, at 99 cents, damn. Let's see. I'm not. This is not a Flix and Chill promotional stream. This is just me celebrating that two of my streamer bros, Jason Lovett and FunnyGuy77, are going to be doing their thing today. I'm pretty excited. There's some videos of it on. Man, the Twitch, navigating Twitch is a fucking chore. It really is a chore. Don't rub your laziness off on the streamer. That would put us even more to sleep. Hard enough. Okay. I like the beginning of that. Maybe I'll clip this. Let's clip it. Is this really playing? I have no idea what to expect in this game. Yeah. There's more story. I don't know how much I want to reveal, take it away from it, but he first released the game on itch. And I think you can play the original for free. You can almost like dodge the 99 cents for all I know. If you really tried. I don't know. Is that a pizza? But I might mention all that. Yeah, exactly, right? It's like it's like really well priced. Yeah, I agree. Like, really? Why can't I get... Here's what these guys are saying.
The ability to, you can't just turn it down manually, you have to do it within your computer. Audio on this is too loud. Or not, because this is one of those indie games that doesn't have the ability to, you can't just turn it down manually, you have to do it within your computer. Audio on this is too loud.
Whatever. Let's edit this. Flix and Chill by Jason Lovett. Intro for interview with FunnyGuy77.
Audio on this is too loud.
And then what I'm gonna do on my freaking channel, I'm gonna share this. So 45 more minutes till the exciting interview with Jason Lovett, Flix and Chill. Me and Jason talked on Facebook pretty regularly, a couple times, 2 times a week. I know a lot about, definitely not everything, but I know enough about the past and the future, and I just can't wait for you guys to meet him and see what he's saying. I mean, he's got a publisher. He's living the dream. He's working on his 4th game with them. I don't, whatever the number may not be, depending how you add it. And just really excited. And I think it's going to be a great, like, Funny Guy. I just think it's going to be a great team up with the 2 of them. Let me, I want to post this. Come game dev and chill while we warm up to the Funny Guy77's interview with Flix and Chill creator Jason Lovett. I don't know why I'm into this posting thing lately. Just want a colorful wall. Make it sexy. Alright, that's done. Ish. Bye. Yeah, I do have a, I wouldn't say a rule. I do have a, I can do that. I do have a request for the Discord party. To not ignore the chat. I didn't realize that that's kind of a like, I don't know about the word rule, but it's something we got to keep in mind, because the chat is engaged and sometimes they're getting left out, and I'm not always able to interrupt the frickin' barrel of laughs coming out of the toxic Discord here at Bonozo app. So it's more for the out of control bros. I'm gonna be reminding them. I'm gonna open Visual Studio. I have a minor, not bug, but some work I did on Showmaster doesn't seem to be functioning as I intended. And I've double checked the code too already, so I'm kind of surprised. Cyber, you there? Well, I'm not in there. I'm not there. What up, Cyber?
What up, Matt?
You got some AI cooking?
Yes, I do.
All right.
It's almost done for public alpha release, so I'm excited about that.
Yeah, well, when you say AI, what does that mean to you? Like, what have you done here? Because, what do you mean that? What have you?
Well, initially, it's basically I want to replace Cortana with without keeping that telemetry because no one wants that telemetry on it. So basically, it's going to be using non-tracking software, non-tracking everything. It's going to be replacing Cortana, and it's going to have a wide, brighter, more features.
Wait, so when you AI, you don't
Is-
mean game. You mean the text to speech. What do you mean? You gotta rewind, dude. I don't know if you use the word AI too loosely with me. I have no idea what you're working on then.
Okay, you know, it's not like more text to speech. Like, say, if you want to lock the computer, you just say whatever you name the specific AI you want to name it. You can have a custom name for it, and say lock PC. It just locks your PC, and when it comes back, it will recognize your voice, and it will automatically unlock it for you.
Okay, I didn't know that's what you meant. Cool.
It's kind of like a security thing that is pretty nice to have. You can search the web with it.
No, cool. I watch Star Trek, dude. I watch Star Trek. Computer, do stuff. Got it. I know what's up. Good, good. Yeah, so you're gonna leave your computer on at all times and be able to talk to it, and basically.
Basically, yeah.
Cool.
It will have. I'm trying to implement smart response into it, where it actually like you can have a decent conversation with your computer.
Wait, was the welcome? His honor.
So what
Stop
you
looking
fixing
at my
over there?
Showmaster welcomes me back all the time, and I'm like trying to just me personally, and I don't need to be welcomed back. So I'm trying to make it whoever's actually running the stream is ignored, and I don't know why. I just did something wrong. Nothing big. Should be simple, I hope. It's confusing a little bit because there's the streamer, and then sometimes the streamer has a bot, and so sometimes there's some mix-ups between, you know what I mean?
I'm guessing it'll be like, oh, welcome back, Showmaster Bot.
Yeah, it says that sometimes. I think if I run 2 of them, it'll say that sometimes. Only 37 minutes till... I don't know. I didn't see... I think this is like Funny Guy's like 3rd show. He did Dragon Slumber, I think, on his 1st. I'm not sure. I missed... And then I don't know who he did last week. But, so I haven't seen any of them. I don't really know how it goes. I'm sure it's pretty cool.
He does have a bundle going on.
Yeah.
I might just pick up the bundle.
It was like $7 or something. What does it come with? His other games or?
It comes with this Poop in My Soup, the Super Duper Party Pooper, Toad Lead, Luke Sidewalker, Frisky Business, and Flix and Chill for $7.62.
Well, that money goes to his publisher, and then he gets a piece of that. And the big thing is, as long as he keeps getting money to the publisher, they're gonna keep funding his project. So every single cent really helps this guy out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a big deal. So yeah. Let's see. It says welcome back. So how long have you been working on that Alexa? I don't know what to call it really. The thing, you know. How long have you been working on that? And is false. I think this is supposed to be and I'm so stupid. Dude, I barely make these mistakes anymore in my coding. I did one. And there was a nice 10, 15 years of those kind of things, but after a while you kind of get it. I can't believe I did that. That's what you get for doing two comparisons in an if, though. You're just prone. The minute you write an if statement, like, you know what I mean? It's going to happen.
Yeah.
Make sure if I'm not a troll and I'm not the owner. Yeah, that's the fix. God
Once you
darn.
start putting ifs.
We'll be that. What'd you
Once
say?
you start putting those ifs down, it gets a little bit iffy further down the line.
I don't even know a cleaner way to write this except for making a new function called like is welcome backable. We'll leave it like this. It's not sexy, but oh well. So who was that beautiful test I just heard? Oh, was it just me? All right, let me rebuild this.
I always say if it works, why edit? So if it works, it works.
Yeah.
They'll probably. Oh, go ahead.
No, you go ahead. I was just gonna say, the more indie I get and the more jams I do, the more I am picking up bad, realizing that the trade-off for bad practices is worth it. I just into
See,
team dev, yeah.
I always say if it works, I don't care if it's sloppy. It works, it works. So it will probably mess me up later down the line, but.
Yes, Cyber, that's terrible. That's terrible advice. I mean, it's good by yourself if you never need to go revisit that code the rest of your life. That would be the only case. Or under a time crunch.
But I'm really about code compression. I really like to see code thinned out.
What's up, Norox?
I just have that. Oh, Norox is in the chat. What's up, buddy?
He's saying something about what you're doing. He worked on something like that a while back before Cortana. I used the Microsoft Voice Recognition Library. It would welcome you and tell you the weather. You could ask questions which would run through a web search too. Yeah, what library or SDKs or whatever are you using for your speech recognition there, Cyber?
This comes internally with all Microsoft products. It's like their voice recognition library, but it's a slight more older version. But I'm reamping it a little bit. I'm taking out all that telemetry stuff out of it.
Have you taken the time to train it? You know, get it used those features that let it recognize your voice better?
The training feature I am working on, but it's not ready yet. Right now it recognizes British accents and American accents very well. I'm just trying to find people that can actually give me an accent I can like grab sound bites from, so it can actually recognize, like, at least trying to recognize a certain word in that certain language.
Man, I can't stand text-to-speech for the reason of that small little pause that it takes to figure out what you said. It's like so annoying. Did you hear me? And then I can't tell if it heard me. Like, it's so and like even no matter how fast, huh? What?
I'm trying to avoid that though.
Yeah, I hope anything you could do to reduce that number, that time. It's so frustrating. That's the main reason why I don't use it. If they can get that down to like 0 seconds, I'd probably be only using that. How long is it now? When you use your phone and you're talking, isn't it like still like?
It has that maybe like 2 or 3 second delay.
2 seconds? Damn, that's a lot. Because when you talk to a person, it's immediate, right? Sort of. Well, depending who you're talking to.
But don't forget, if you're using your phone, it depends on your data connection or your wireless connection and other stuff.
Welcome, ladies
Gotcha.
and gentlemen.
Yeah, they keep talking about fixing infrastructure. That just, God, stop building. Just freaking boost the internet already. God, so obvious. It's like so obvious. Wow. So we got. Oh, I turned off the timer when I closed it. Darn it! Darn it! Darn it! 30 minutes to the event. I don't know if it starts on time, early. I keep checking his Twitter to see if there's updates, and yeah, Norax, that's not a bad idea.
Get in here, Norax.
All right. Okay, so that built. Let me. Pretty sure that's right.
So when you're doing the game, you're gonna do the whole thing or just a portion of it?
You talking about Flex and Chill or wait?
Yeah, you're gonna just do a portion of the game live or the entire game.
I'm not doing anything. It's FunnyGuy77 is gonna be interviewing. I'm just I connected them. We're gonna all go into Funny Guy's channel in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and watch. I don't know what they're gonna do. Does that make sense? No. Yes. No. You there? Crickets. Can't hear
What
you.
else do we have in this viewer list? Oh, I see Orange Sky is in here. What's up, buddy?
Yeah, I don't troll the viewer list because, in case people want to lurk, but that's me. Anyone can do whatever they want. I like if
I
some.
like seeing lurkers.
I could have, for all I know, I could have like an ex, you know, or even like a lawyer or from a or who knows in there. I just don't even want to know. My friggin'. I think it's more like exes that I would trip out on. Cool.
I think it's just Twitch that shows you who's actually viewing, because sometimes Hitbox and YouTube only shows you who chatted the last 5 minutes.
Hey, Jason Lovett, speak of the devil. Yes. Oh, wow, that's him. Hi, Jason.
What's up,
Jason. Yeah, I'm basically just kind of like getting my little community hyped up, so when Funny Guy goes live, we're all gonna go join you over there. And then I think Cyberhacker, a great top dev bro of mine, he's talking about picking up your bundle. I'm definitely gonna pick up
Yeah, man.
a
I'm
Flix
picking
and
up a
Chill.
bundle, man.
Yeah. So, but we're gonna watch and see what's up. I can't wait to see about your new project. I got my own little question I want to ask if they take Q&A. I'm sure I don't. And then so yeah. Is this music royalty free, by the way? Like, will YouTube block it? Cause what would you do if that was him? Oh, what's in my vape? Welcome to the Discord.
What's up, man? Welcome to the party.
Yeah, Jason, have you peeped Funny Guy before? Have you watched any of his broadcasts? You get to know him a little bit? See what he's about? What kind of guy he is? Me and Funny Guy are tight. We talk on the phone and stuff. Once, you know. I knew, Jason, I could tell you this. I knew you didn't make the trailer. I just want you to know that. I knew it. It's not that the trailer is there's just a couple. I could tell you didn't do it. It doesn't have that the attention to like flair that you have making your game is not in the video. Like the editing, like I just knew you didn't. I'm glad you told me too, because I would have never asked. Yeah, it ain't your style. Yeah, I don't know. Probably all of it. I can't. I wish they would kind of change it. I know it doesn't matter. You got some really good reviews here. But you know what part really drives me crazy? Nah. You definitely didn't make this, but the trailer, the editing is just so. But the part when it says the text in red, it's like the beat though, the timing. Watch. Ah, that's funny, hey baby. I don't know, like you see how the text aliasing is happening? Like the scaling is wrong. They don't even have a bilinear filter on or something. Like the scaling is wrong. They're not tech because that's wrong. That's cool, Jay. I trust you, man. You're freaking the man. But yeah. Oh no, I'm gonna be pretty quiet to be honest. I don't plan to really say much. I can't wait to just watch you in funny. In fact, I hope both of you even forget I'm there. Really, I really would rather just watch the chemistry, if any, between you two. If there's a Q&A, I think I have a question I might put out there, but that's about it. Yeah. Well, Jason's got to save his throat. No, I'm kidding. So I got a little timer going. 23 minutes till the scheduled time. I don't know if it's exactly on time or I don't know how that works. Oh wow, Kbros Games is gonna be there. His publisher, I think, most likely might be there. I don't know. They're getting there's a little Twitter action.
Yeah, and how long would it take to code? What kind of API are you talking about, man?
That almost you might that sounds almost trolly, Vape. Come on. So what is an API? That's all you, Diver.
I hope that's a troll. I hope.
No, he's a legit
Troll,
viewer.
man.
He's a legit viewer.
Oh, I know that. It's
Yeah, I don't know. What happened?
questions with APIs.
There's no such thing as a silly question, right? This is the article Lovett shared on Facebook today. Developers are mocking a Kotaku post, I don't know, Kotaku, whatever, about game development. It's bad. Look, basically they were showing this, and then the Polygon guys, or Kotaku guys said it was, every time you move the camera in Horizon Zero Dawn, the game is doing all sorts of under-the-hood calculations, loading and unloading chunks of world to ensure that it runs properly. And that's not even counting the robot dinosaurs. You know what? On this post, Lovett, I don't know if you're still here, the devs are wrong. This is not just simply frustum culling. It's not. The devs are freaking wrong that are complaining. I could go on and on and on how they're so wrong. I'm not even bothering to comment, tweet. I'm not, but I've been making console games long enough that this is not just frustum culling involved here. And I can pinpoint and show you if anyone's interested. The devs are wrong, and in fact, this guy is right. And loading, unloading doesn't necessarily have to mean hit the disk. You can load and unload from RAM, it's fine. This guy is not wrong. This is a big, stupid mix-up. It's indie devs that are being silly, I'm sure, because they don't, you know, he ain't wrong. So Vape, are you in the Discord? Cool. Oh, he went and put some coffee on. Cool. Cool. I want to follow Jason's publisher. They like retweeted us, and I want to thank him for that. Let's follow them and.
Or X. That's not API. Don't give him wrong answers.
So Vape, do you seriously want Vape, what's your dev background again?
What?
You were asking an API question?
Yeah.
What's your
Did you?
background in development now, as of now? Like, what have you been doing?
Nothing.
He's all nothing to see here. All right. Well,
Says that the API operates between the menu and the hierarchy classes.
what are you looking at?
APIs are a wide range of definition stuff. It's basic. An API is basically like saying if a developer has their own set of command lines running on a server, you can call their command lines for your specific application you were making. Like these Twitch chats, for example. Like a Twitch chat has an API coding system in the background, so you can actually pull names and messages, followers, and other that data information through an API call. So say if I were to go in Visual Studio and say I want to make my own little Twitch chat box for my stream, I would do that with simple API calls with specific URL, which is APIs should be, I think it's like recommended now, or enforce security, tokens and hashes and other protocols in place.
I'm gonna throw an answer out for you there, Vape. You ready? What is an API? Basically, whenever you type something in, all the functions together are an API. API just means a bunch of functions. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? It's kind of a confusing, overused term. It really doesn't mean anything. Why the word kind of exists is because different companies, like if you make a product and you're using Microsoft's text-to-speech library, and then you're using OpenGL's graphics library, and then you're using
Don't go away.
who knows what up. Each one of them are providing you functions, and so they all have their own API. And that's really, I think, what the distinction's for. It's the way of differentiating the types of technologies and who's responsible for them more than anything else. I mean, there's a much higher level. I think, Cyber, you were talking about it, like API in a way as a science has gone a long way, like, you know, what best practices and stuff, but on its foundation, it just means library. You know what I mean? Kind of. Would you agree with any of that, Cyberhacker? Or maybe not so much, or what?
Yeah. You're in the right track with that.
Yeah. It's kind of an abused term in a way. It's like when you know if you say API to a non-programmer, they're like, I don't know what he's talking about. But in most cases, the programmer is really not saying anything. He's just, what do I type in to create the triangle? It's called create triangle. That's the API. I don't even know it.
Good idea. Don't get me started on that, please.
Was that you, Vape, that said that just now? No, Cyber.
What?
Oh, about the chat. What up, Fun Fox? Welcome. Are you gonna take a look at Flix and Chill with us? What up, good idea? And I did.
We all talking in this room now? I'm gonna join.
Good.
Yeah. Join the hype party, man.
So again, in 15 minutes, it's supposed to be the Flix and Chill interview on Funny Guy's channel. Funny Guy interviewing Jason Lovett. Both these guys are bros, and he makes the game Flix and Chill. It's only 99 cents, and he's got a publisher, and he's on his, like, I think he's on like his 4th or 5th. He's making a new game. He's moved on to a new game. There's a cool history about this game. We'll see what happens. What up, Clonza? Jonah Hill is not back, but he stayed up on the Discord for another hour or so.
What is this game? I've never seen this game.
It's called Flix and Chill. And the creator of it is gonna be talking all about it.
This looks like who made this thing?
What'd you say?
Is he using like spine?
You can ask him. Good ideas. I'm sure you can ask him.
Wait, so there's gonna be an interview thing on Funny Guy's channel in 15 minutes. You said?
I wonder
Yeah.
how he feels about Markiplier playing his game.
You could ask him. I mean, that's cool. I didn't know Markiplier played it. I know that people have Twitch. On Twitch, you can select it as a playable game. I'm gonna be picking up a copy during the show. I think Funny Guy might be giving I think they might be giving a couple keys away, but at 99 cents, who cares? I'd rather
I'm
personally.
getting a bundle, so.
Yeah, that's cool, man. That's cool. Yeah, they have a bundle.
Discord chat.
That's out of my range. That's some big money there. And that's like 7 Flix and Chill keys.
There's poop in my soup? I want to play that game. Is that what that seriously says?
Yeah,
There's
that's what it
poop in my
says.
soup.
Yeah.
Look, it's got
That's great.
2,000 positive reviews. Who makes this one?
See, this is what I should be doing with my time.
What? Playing poop in your soup?
No, well, yeah. I mean, like making things,
Thanks,
making
Norax.
complete things. I should say.
You just do X-Clam game.
I'm buying that game. What's wrong with their necks?
That's Funny Guy's neck.
Is that from eating too much poop in your soup?
New pooper approaching. Oh wow, that was disturbing. I was he pooping out of his mouth?
Yeah, no, it totally was. I saw that.
His head is the butt cheeks.
Got it. I just thought it was Donald
Is this one
Trump's
also
face.
$1? Because I'll buy it.
It's with the bundle. If you get the Kbros bundle, it's 23% off. $7.62. You get there's poop in my soup, super duper party pooper, totaled, Luke Sidewalker, Frisky Business, and Flix and Chill. And if you guys pick up any copies, dude, make sure that I know so I could, like, when we talk to the publisher and stuff in the future, we could be like, yeah, and everyone got all your games and stuff. You know what I mean? That'll make them so happy.
Post a bundle link in the chats.
Cool.
they
So
can check it out
Grog.
as well.
Grog, did the welcome back go off for you? I just... Yeah. I've been working on that. Speak with your body, not your lips. Oh boy, this is gonna be a good one. 10 minutes, 10-minute warning to the Jason Lovett interview over on Funny Guy stream. Basically, what it's gonna work, as soon as it's a good time, we're gonna just all go over there. We'll keep the Discord running if we want, but realistically, we'll just go there and watch it. And then ask him. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. Don't know. And I'm pretty excited because I was trying to get Jason on this show, and then he went to PAX, and then Funny Guy's like, I need a special guest for my Tuesday talk, and I was like, well, I happen to know somebody ready to go, and I connect. That's how that happened. Yeah, it didn't for you either. That. Yeah. Man, is the welcome back broken? Because that would suck. With that change I did. Man. Ugh. 9 minutes.
Oh, Vic, when you said where you put it, for my hitbox spot, I put my API in my, I think it was resources. Well, for you, well, resources should be either net or for Java, I believe. Whenever you have your files configured.
Dude, my welcome back code should be flawless. Oh, I don't know. 7 more minutes. Woo!
Well, technically 8 minutes.
Yeah, well, I'm giving it a few seconds in case, to be early bird. Early squirrel gets the nut. Yeah, no, I don't know. They're probably, I don't know. Yeah, Jake, are you pumped? Do you like this Flex and Chill game? It's pretty cool looking. Is troll.
I'm not on my gaming PC at the moment, but when I get home, I'm definitely picking up that.
Yeah, cool. I'm getting a copy. I'm gonna watch a few minutes of the interview and then I'm gonna pick up a copy right there. Is troll this fucking thing should work. The code looks so good to me. I'm gonna think of the problem something else.
It does. When I look at it, it looks normal to me.
Yeah, I mean yeah.
Could it be like a different definition call somewhere else that's interfering with it?
I doubt it. I mean,
Like a double instance or something?
For his owner, I don't know. No. See that it only does welcome backs every 4 hours. But so anyone that's typed, but that should be fine. Grog hasn't been here 4 hours. I don't know. I'll keep an eye on it. I'll get it. I'm too pumped for this interview. 5 minutes. All right, maybe I will open Unity one time. You know, when I planned doing this little pre-show, I didn't think we'd actually need it. I assumed Funny Guy would have been on. I assumed, you know, that he was gonna be on simultaneously, and I would have just been wasting my time. But it turns out he's probably really busy writing down all of his like interview questions. He's like, okay, yeah, I should ask him. So, how did you get into game development? He'd be like, he's swamped right now. Nah, he's racing home from school. I got that freaking interview today. I don't know. Well, he said 3 p.m. Eastern, and I don't know. Maybe my clock math is wrong. I thought that was in 5 minutes. Yeah. Major bug. I'm gonna run it in here. Okay, Funny Guy just went live. Let's give him just a second. Let's see. Yeah, it says he's not ready. It's starting soon. Tuesday talk, 5 minutes. It's gonna be a long 5 minutes. I know. Oh, I did it wrong.
I'm guessing you have a custom set of emotes.
Yeah, I got some BTTVs. We've been setting them up on the stream.
Because in the chat for me it just says image source.
That one messed up. If I do it in if I don't use the Reese chat, it'll work. Where is it?
I don't really have that application.
You can see on the screen. Thanks, Fun. Thanks, Fun. Who knows? This is the pre-show. It's only a couple more minutes, basically 2 minutes. I see it, Cyberhacker. My bro Jason Lovett is being interviewed by my bro FunnyGuy77 on FunnyGuy stream. We're all gonna go over there in just 2 minutes. It looks kind of, he's not ready just yet. It says starting soon, and then and we'll hear all about it. He's got a publisher. He's on his next game, and the game's only 99 cents. Here. Why is the volume so low? Because I turned it down. So, what's in my vape? Yeah, excellent raid. Let's go do it, everybody. Let's go into Funny Guy's stream. Let's go in there right now. And if you got 99 cents and you like what you see, put it to work. I'll see all y'all over there. I'm actually even gonna dip out of the Discord for a little bit, but I am gonna So I'm gonna make some coffee too and stuff like that. But here we go. See you guys there.